Let's talk about title ownership. This is a system that has been in use for years, and this is a property ownership registration that is used in different countries: the UK, the US, the Canada, Australia. Have been using this system, and this is designed to provide transparency and certainty of who a owner of a property is. That is what this whole title system is all about. And under this registered title system, when the property is sold or transferred, it is recorded there. The transaction is recorded there. It's actually with a government agency. Most countries, or in most states, it is usually called the land registrar or the title office. This particular agency issue a certificate to serve as a proof of ownership, and also this certificate contains information about the legal description of that particular property, and also if there's any liens or encumbrance, also the identity of the owner. And one of the key benefits of this particular registered title system is that it provides clear and secure record of the owner of that particular property, and this prevents fraud, dispute. Also make it easier for you to sell your property, and also for you to use it as a collateral. Let me also add this too. In addition to this property system also provides protection for property owners against advanced possession claim. Advanced possession claim in legal concept means someone that can acquire ownership of a property by using it openly and continually for a particular period of time, even if you do not have the legal title for it. And for instance, you give somebody a property to owe, and the person can come and claim it, but because you have your record already in the system, this can also prevent the advanced processor to claim it. The importance of this particular system is for protection, and also it benefits the owner of the property, and also help to ensure the stable and secure system of property ownership in a certain location. That is why it's important that when you are buying a property, you should try to go and register that property. And when you are buying, even though when you buy a registered property, you should go and register. You buy a land that have a CFO, you should go and register it so they can have a governor consent. We buy a land that does not have a title, go and make it have a title. It is very important. That is what the system is all about. So see you in the next video.